Nasa step 6 na tayo, defining parcels. So this is an exciting topic kasi dito natin i-define yung mga parcel definition natin. So this is a very important topic. So we'll do it slow as possible. Let's do it. So just minimize this one. Okay. So we'll click button 6. Click natin to. So dito natin i-define yung parcels number. Mga parcel definition natin. Kung yung iba na gumagamit ng ibang plugin, so ito yung parang lot indexing nila. But this time we don't use lot index. So we'll just plain and simple, we'll use mother lot, resultant lot, consolidation boundary. So we make it simpler. So para sa mga kahit hindi technical, kahit hindi ka masyadong computer literate or hindi ka magaling sa CAD, so you can still process Sorbica. So first, we will look at sa cadastral map kung saan yung corner 1 ng mother lot. So we'll just close this one temporarily. So we look at the cadastral map. So yung corner 1 is somewhere here. Okay, so dito yung corner 1. So we'll click button 6 again. Simple, pwedeng complex pero for this one, this is a simple subdivision. So lot number, we'll type sa mother lot is 6243. So claimant, Pedro Gaupo. Ito yung claimant na mailalagay sa LDC. So, yung parcel class niya, this is a mother lot. So, mother lot. So, hindi ka na mag-iisip kung ano yung lot index number. If mother lot, it's mother lot. Pag resultant lot, it's resultant lot. So, yun lang. Simple na simple. So, in the method, we'll select the object because polyline itong boundary natin, di ba? Close polyline. So, pwede natin i-select as object. So, yung saan natin i-level yung corner numbers niya. So, sa labas, outside. Okay. So, gusto natin na palaging lahat ng mga lot claimant sa lahat ng lote is si Pedro Gaupo is set as default claimant natin para automatic na siyang mailalagay sa claimant. So, okay. So, select natin yung polyline boundary ng mother lot natin. Click natin. Then, enter. Then, magtatanong siya, pick a point near corner 1. Di ba? Dito yung corner 1 natin. So, wag dyan sa talagang endpoint. Malapit lang dito sa labas. Click dyan. Then, we close. Okay. So, we'll move this corner number kasi naligaw. So, ito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, that's our mother lot. So, we'll save. Now, again, we click again the button 6 para i-define natin yung mga sublots. So, dito, may automation dito. So, for example, marami ka talagang sublots. For example, you're doing the complex subdivision. So, pwede mo siyang i-automate. So, we'll show this one to you. Then, we'll undo our process para gawin natin yung basic. So, but for this demonstration, pakita natin na i-automate niya yung pagde-define ng mga sublots. So, kasi nandito na yung mga level ng parcel mo. So, pwede ka nang hindi maglagay muna dito kasi i-automate natin. Automatic i-pick up niya na kung ano yung naka-level dito, yun na yung lot numbering niya. So, when I select resultant lot, mag-enable tong auto-define. So, kanina, mother lot, wala yung auto-define. So, pag resultant lot, mag-enable yung auto-define. So, click natin, try natin auto-define. Tapos, gawin natin inside yung levels ng mga corners. So, hindi na kailangan yung lot number kasi nandito yung lot number, isi-select niya automatically. Okay, so this is just one way. We'll undo the process later on. So, okay. Okay, kita mo, lahat ng corner, dinedefine niya. Tingnan natin. Close muna natin. So, lahat ng lahat ng sublots ay dinedefine niya automatically. Siya nagsiselect ng saan yung corner 1. Okay? Pero for now, we'll undo the process. So I'll erase the resultant lot definition and the labeling. Okay, pinapakita ko lang sa iyo na pwedeng gawin 'yun. So we'll undo the process, we'll do the basic. So lot number will get ganun pa rin yung claimant. Tapos yung resultant lot, this time we'll select pick internal inside. So okay, so dito yung gusto ko yung corner 1. Click dyan malapit. Oh, yan. So we'll get, ito yung B, lot B na naman. So okay, gusto ko dito yung corner 1. Yan. So get, let's see. Gusto ko dito yung corner 1. And the D, okay, gusto ko dito yung corner 1. Okay. And lot E, get, lot E, then if I coincide, gusto ko i-coincide yung corner 1 sa corner 1 ng mother lot ko. Okay. So we'll pick dito. Okay. Then close. Okay. So that's how you define the parcels. Okay. So I think that's it. See you in the next video.